Welcome to CLL Society, where smart patients get smart care. In 2005, family physician Brian Kaufman was diagnosed with chronic lymphocytic leukemia, motivating him to seek the best possible care for his condition. After identifying critical unmet needs within the CLL community, Dr. Kaufman and his wife were inspired to establish the nonprofit CLL Society. Their goal was to provide vital support and credible, cutting-edge information to all CLL patients and their care partners. Today, CLL Society is a thriving organization serving tens of thousands of CLL and SLL patients through education, advocacy, support, and research. CLL Society operates with guidance from a medical advisory board comprised of leading experts in CLL. This board supports CLL Society's efforts and verifies that our content is medically accurate, reflects best practices, and conveys the latest evidence-based information. CLL Society has also established an expert medical council represented by a diverse group of world-renowned CLL experts. These trusted individuals supplement the work of our medical advisory board. CLL Society's patient advisory board consists of patient volunteers representing a cross-section of CLL and SLL patients. This advisory board helps to guide content, provides insights into the patient experience, and helps CLL Society to establish its programmatic priorities based on real-world patient needs. We encourage all CLL and SLL patients, as well as their care partners and healthcare providers, to regularly visit our website, cllsociety.org. This is the go-to resource for all things CLL, from basic information for the newly diagnosed to the latest breaking research from major hematology conferences for those in later lines of therapy. CLL Society's website connects visitors to information about upcoming CLL programming, including webinars and other virtual events, as well as financial assistance programs, support services, and much more. Among the many resources on our website is the Patient Education Toolkit. This toolkit contains a broad spectrum of information, including the basic biology of the disease, treatment options, and other important resources that patients need. Each topic is presented in a brief 1 to 2 page document that can be printed as a handout for patients to read, post on the fridge, or take along to a doctor's appointment. There are several factors your healthcare provider will take into consideration when discussing what treatment options might be the best for you. Find out more about what these factors are and explore each of the currently approved drugs in CLL by visiting the CLL Medicine Cabinet. Here you can also download fact sheets and follow links to additional resources on each of the available treatment options. Current NCCN and IWCLL guidelines emphasize the importance of obtaining appropriate predictive testing before the first and every subsequent therapy. While there are many tests that could help CLL patients make informed treatment decisions, 3 essential tests are FISH, IGHV, and TP53. All patients should advocate for themselves and insist on getting these tests before treatment decisions are made. A downloadable 1-page sheet to help you better understand why this is so critical is available on our website under the Test Before Treat section, as well as in the Patient Education Toolkit. CLL and SLL patients and caregivers across the country benefit from participating in one of our 40 CLL-specific support groups. Each group is led by CLL Society-trained facilitators who uphold high standards of inclusiveness and privacy. 93% of our support group members report being more knowledgeable about CLL as a direct result of their group, and 96% would recommend a CLL Society support group to a friend with CLL. Currently, all of these meetings are held virtually, making it easier than ever to join. Seeking one-on-one support for specific issues? Get your CLL-related questions answered via email utilizing our Ask the Experts forum. Would you rather have a discussion with someone else who has CLL and knows what you're going through firsthand? Get connected through our peer-to-peer support program. Finally, if you would prefer to speak to a chaplain about emotional and spiritual matters, we invite you to connect with our emotional and spiritual advocate. All of these support services are completely free of charge and are meant to help you get valuable support to live your best life. There is well-documented evidence that having a CLL expert on your healthcare team improves your life expectancy. CLL Society's innovative Expert Access program offers patients the opportunity to meet virtually for a free second opinion consultation with a world-renowned expert in CLL. We urge all patients to consider using this service particularly if they are unsure of their disease status or any aspect of their treatment plan. CLL Society has proudly partnered with Clinical Care Options to develop a CLL treatment decision tool. Intended to support shared decision-making, this user-friendly tool allows patients to answer a few brief questions and then receive algorithmic opinions from 5 different CLL experts through the interactive treatment decision support tool. This is an excellent resource to present options as to what therapies to review with those directly managing their CLL. Other helpful resources for CLL patients include information on CAR-T and other cellular therapies, resources to understand normal CLL lab values and track lab results, care partner resources, opportunities to connect with other patients, and much more. Plus, hear conversations from CLL community members on CareCast, CLL Society's podcast channel. These are just some of the many resources and activities offered by CLL Society. To keep up with the latest, we encourage patients and their care partners to sign up for our weekly newsletter, CLL Society This Week, and check out the What's New section of our website. You can also find CLL Society on Facebook, X, and LinkedIn. While we are proud to reach an audience of thousands, we know that there are an estimated 200,000 Americans living with a CLL diagnosis. Our goal is to reach all patients, and we are on a mission to connect with those who are missing out on the critical resources CLL Society offers. We invite you to join our community and start benefiting from the information, support, and connection we have to offer. We are here to make sure you get your best care and live your best life. We are all in this together.